I'm Dan Rather.
And I'm Jack Johnson.
Today we're going to be talking a very important bird, Petey the Parrot. He's going to be in an upcoming Up All Night Productions video.
Right.
We don't know much about the video yet. It's kind of kept secret, but we know it'll be a very good video because Petey's in it.
Yes, Petey.
We have some questions for Petey today. So how are you today, Petey?
I'm a little hungover, but not too bad. How do you feel about being in the Up All Night video? It's a bitch.
So, you've been working with Michael and Jordan for quite a while now. You're becoming friends, you're hitting it off. How do you feel about them?
Mike's an asshole, and Jordan's a bitch. They're both faggots. Fuck 'em. So I hear you're quite the musical artist there, Petey.
Yes, indeed.
I'm quite the entertainer.
So I hear you really got the whole hardcore pig squeal kind of scream going there. Yes, the XXX scream, the pig squeal. Even though you're a parrot, can you demonstrate for us, please?
That was wonderful. Now I also hear that you like to shred on the old guitar.
Very good. Now when you were purchased at the mall, how much did you cost?
$15 fucking.
Oh, that's quite a good price for Petey. Oh man.
Well, I believe that he's worth every cent.
Every cent.
So, Petey, you seem a little tense. What's going on there, bud?
Anything wrong?
I'm a little bit high. Hey, Petey, I think that girl over there on stage 2 is checking you out.
What do you think?
Eat the pussy up. Eat the pussy up.
Now, I'm not really sure, but, is it safe for a parrot to smoke by any chance? Like, I know it's bad for humans, but you're a little smaller. Like, should you not be smoking right now?
Shut the fuck up. I'll do what the hell I want. So, you got anything to add there, Petey? Petey?
Petey. Oh, well, I think this interview's over. Is there anything else? You okay?
I'm fine.
Is there anything else to add to this?
Let's just, pretend none of this happened.
Let's go! I'm Dan Rather.
And I'm Jack Johnson.
Today we're talking with Petey the Parrot. He's going to be in an upcoming Up All Night Productions video. Very excited for it.
Very.
Don't know very much about you. What the hell is going on?
For real. Hate this.
Why is it not sticking now? I don't know. This thing's... Ugh. It's annoying. I hate it. It's really itchy. You need to fix it between every freaking question. Get out of there! Sorry. Alright, turn the camera off.
Expressly, wanna go on a mustache ride?